Well, hey guys, John here from Big Dreams Travel, and this is just going to be a quick walkthrough as we are touring Secrets Playa Blanca here in the Playa Mujeres area in Cancun. And thanks for watching our channel. Make sure you subscribe down below and hit the notification bell. And we're just going to give you a quick walkthrough as we tour Secrets Playa Blanca. Just a stunning view here as you come through the main open air lobby here at Secrets Playa Blanca out onto the ocean. Water feature, seating area. Definitely a wow factor as you walk into the resort. Okay, so we just came through the main buffet area here. They have an outdoor seating, but a beautiful buffet restaurant that is open for breakfast and lunch only. And then they have several specialty dining venues open for dinner that are first come, first served. Beautiful little water area here. But all of the sit down, other than hibachi and the tequila experience, are all first come, first served. So don't have to worry about reservations here, which is great. And this is a property that just opened about 2 months before I'm recording this. So it's a fairly new property, still even a couple areas not quite yet to open. And just walk down here from the main lobby up there. We walk down the path. And right here is the French restaurant. Again, no reservations for any of those specialty dining venues except for the hibachi and the special tequila experience. So one of the pool areas here at Playa Blanca, and this is actually an area they use this for private events as well in the evenings. They've got a lot of extra space on the outside for that, but just a beautiful area with these lounge chairs out on these little peninsulas. Look really like a great place to spend the day. And again, this pool area, it is called the Jungle Pool, so just one of the pools here at the Secrets Playa Blanca property, but a beautiful area. Again, here's just some more of the jungle pool. These little cabanas are an extra fee for the day. You do have to reserve these, but really a cool way to have a pool day. Some incredible views from up here from one of the wedding venues, or one of the event spaces. Big outdoor event space here. This is up above the jungle pool. The one thing that I'm noticing as walking around this place is just the natural elevation does change quite a bit. You can see we were just down there. The French restaurant is right below us. And so there are some stairs and things like that around to get to certain areas. So one thing to note about this property. Really cool little seating area here, kind of down from the main lobby, fire pit. And there's a coffee shop and quick service option right there across here. And then I'm sure we'll walk by in a little bit, but a store and some shopping over across the way. And again, just for reference, there's the main lobby right up there on the top level. All right, walking down a little closer to the beach, we come to the main activities pool. Nice big pool area. Of course, some more of these bungalows available for rent. Just a beautiful pool area. Love all the cushions on the seat. And there is a restaurant and bar over here next to the pool that we will walk on around to. Alright, so a little bar and pool grill area here, right next to the main activities pool. Okay, and so we made our way down towards the beach. And this is the seaside restaurant with a great view out onto the ocean. And then the infinity pool. Nice large pool, swim up bar down there at the other end. But beautiful pool here, right out on the beach. Several more fire pit seating areas out here around the beach, which is just awesome, right off the back of the terrace on that Seaview restaurant. We're going to walk down towards the beach. Do have a volleyball court down here on the beach. Quite a few of the beach chairs, a lot of palapas out here, but some of the beach chairs do appear to be behind this little hill with some greenery, so one thing to know. And then there are beach chairs over on the other side of that hill as well. So now over on the other side of the resort, we've got the Preferred Lounge and Bar, and this is a pool exclusive to the preferred side guests, so upgraded room types. And they do have private events over here, a little infinity edge down at the other end of this pool, off towards the ocean. Beautiful little spot. So coming up to one of the room buildings, here are some of the swim out suite areas, just gorgeous. See the main lobby up there on the hill, just for reference. A few more of the swim out rooms. Alright, so we've come up into one of the buildings. We are going to look at a room or two. Not going to be a full room tour just because we've got several of our other agents here with us. And so there are going to be people in the rooms as I go through it, but you can see even some great views off the walking paths here as well. But there will be some people in the rooms with me, so won't call it a full room tour, but we will show you some B-roll of the rooms. Stunning view here off of this balcony. Huge percentage of the rooms here, the way the buildings are built, Almost all of the rooms do have an ocean view across the entire complex, so that is awesome. And down to that pool there right in front of me is the preferred pool. And so we've made it back up to the lobby, did a full circle of the resort, very walkable. There are a few stairs, but had a great time here at Secrets Playa Blanca looking around. If you're interested in this property or anywhere else, let one of our dream designers know, www.bigdreamstravelusa.com. Make sure you hit like on this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.